Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. For today's project share, we have this beautiful, quick, and easy card. It is so easy to make, it does not need a tutorial. Okay, for this card we are using the Spellbinders Designer Series Floral Panel Card Dies by Sharyn Sowell. I will be leaving a link to this set of dies in the description area below. Basically, what you do is you take your card base and you're going to take your set of dies, and let me show you the set of dies right here and now. In this set, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 dies. Okay, the ones that I'm using for this card are just these two, in which basically what you do is you put them together, and then you're going to take some gold cardstock. If you like to use gold, I love using gold every time I get a chance. So you're going to run it through your die cutting machine, okay? And it cuts this piece out. And then basically what you do is you are going to glue it directly onto the base of your card. And then over here, what I've done here, and this is your choice, you can either use a paper flower or you can use your Spellbinders dies to make flowers. I decided to use a regular lace flower right on here, and I hot glued it onto the center. And this is what the center of this card frame looks like. As you can see, it's got this little thing. Let me show it to you like this, it's a lot easier. This thing right here, in which you can do a little leaf and so forth on this. But I chose to glue my flower inside, on the oval I mean. And it was so super easy. I hot glued it on, and then I glued my rhinestone on at the center of my flower. And because this tends to be a little bit top heavy, to combine the weight, all I did was I took this die right here and I used it on this cardstock to make kind of like a mat for your whatever it is that you want to write for your card. And back here, for a little bit added weight, I added my stamp on a different cardstock, and it was so super easy to make. I promise you, this is going to take you, like, you know, for those of you seasoned crafters, maybe 15-20 minutes, and for those of you who have been crafting for weeks, it'll still take you maybe 15-20 minutes because it's that easy. So yeah, like I said before, I will be leaving the links to this set of dies in the description area below, and also in my blog. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon, okay? Bye now.